What's up, everyone? Today we're melting the last of our baseball bat. Tune in to see how you burn a cork. You're not gonna want to miss every bite. Yeah, take a spill with me. When you think baseball, what comes to mind? Is it the crack of the bat, the roar of the crowd, or slapping the meat around with the boys? Whatever it may be, America's pastime is one thing that will always bring people together, just like presidential elections or a hot dog eating contest.
Joey Chestnut.
The people are starting to call other greats the Joey, like Michael Jordan is the Joey of basketball. Sitting here with good seat, that's you wish.
Truth is, I'm into baseball for just one thing: the aluminum. That's right, these useful corked up self-defense weapons can be melted down into even more deadly projectiles. You see me break into your house. What you gonna do about it? Post your response in the comments. Truth is, I was getting pretty good at this. Melting a baseball bat in one hand, quenching aluminum in the other, and unlike Cervantes, I was a pretty good dad.
Someone like you serves no purpose.
But you can never be too careful, so I decided to push my multitasking and multivitamins to the extreme. By removing an ingot from its mold while melting a baseball bat, I would prove myself ambidextrous at more skills than just wiping. 2 large ingots from 3 bats ain't a bad trade. Certainly less out of pocket than anything Pocket Cat wants to trade.
Items for human children. Severed heads, bees, nuts.
Got him!
Well, folks, with another success in the bucket, it was time to wrap things up. A first pitch like that is a dime a dozen. But what really matters is who is out there with you on the field.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we got more videos on